Imagine opening your kitchen cupboard, not just to grab a snack or start dinner, but to uncover a world of beauty secrets hiding in plain sight. Picture yourself finding the secret to glowing, healthy skin right where you least expect it, your own kitchen. It might sound surprising, but the humble pantry often holds treasures for your skin, waiting to be discovered and used in creative ways. From honey to oatmeal and even lemons, these ingredients have been cherished for their beauty benefits for generations, passed down through families and cultures. They offer natural, gentle care that commercial products sometimes lack, providing nourishment without harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. In recent years, more and more people have started looking beyond store shelves, searching for alternatives that are both effective and safe. The kitchen, long the heart of the home, is now becoming a hotspot for beauty treatments, blending tradition with modern self-care. This movement isn't just about nostalgia or simplicity, though. It's about harnessing the true power of nature, using fresh, wholesome ingredients to care for your skin. Skincare from the kitchen is not only effective but also surprisingly luxurious, turning everyday routines into pampering rituals. People are now more conscious of what they put on their skin, seeking out transparency and authenticity in every product. They want transparency and control over ingredients, and kitchen-based skincare offers exactly that, letting you choose what goes into every blend. It's a form of self-care that's both nourishing and empowering, giving you the confidence to take charge of your beauty routine. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create masks, scrubs, and cleansers right at home, tailored to your skin's unique needs. It's a journey of discovery, where each recipe is an opportunity to experiment, learn, and find what works best for you. Welcome to the world of DIY skincare, where beauty, wellness, and creativity are only a cupboard away, ready for you to explore. DIY skincare is more than a trend, it's a lifestyle choice. People are choosing natural ingredients for so many reasons. One major factor is cost. High-quality skincare products can be expensive, and in contrast, kitchen ingredients are affordable and multifunctional. Safety is another reason people prefer DIY. When you make your own products, you know exactly what's inside. There's no guessing about harmful chemicals or unnecessary additives, and honestly, this transparency fosters trust and peace of mind. Moreover, the environmental impact of store-bought cosmetics is a concern. Many come in non-recyclable packaging. By using what's already in your kitchen, you reduce waste. It's a small step, but it contributes to a larger environmental consciousness. Finally, there's a real sense of empowerment in making your own skincare. It's a creative process that connects you with the earth. As awareness grows, more people are turning to this simple, effective, and eco-friendly approach. The kitchen is packed with ingredients that benefit your skin. Honey, for instance, is a natural humectant. It attracts moisture, leaving your skin hydrated and glowing. It also has antibacterial properties, which can help reduce acne. Oatmeal is another powerhouse. It's incredibly soothing and perfect for sensitive skin. When used as a mask, it reduces redness and irritation. The gentle exfoliation it offers can also refresh and renew the skin's surface. Lemons are well known for their vitamin C content. This vitamin brightens the skin and helps even out tone. However, lemon should be used with caution, as its acidity can be harsh. Always dilute it with water or mix with other ingredients. Finally, don't overlook the humble avocado. Rich in healthy fats, it nourishes and moisturizes deeply. Avocado masks are perfect for dry or mature skin. These ingredients, when combined or used alone, form the basis of any effective DIY skincare regime. Creating a skincare routine with kitchen ingredients is simple. In the morning, start with a gentle wash using oatmeal. Just grind oats into a fine powder and mix with water. This serves as a natural cleanser that leaves your skin soft and clean. After cleansing, apply a honey mask and let it sit for 15 minutes. This hydrates and prepares your skin for the day. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Follow with a light moisturizer or a few drops of avocado oil. In the evening, focus on removing the day's impurities. Mix sugar with olive oil for a gentle scrub. This exfoliates and moisturizes at the same time. Use this scrub twice a week for best results. Follow with a toner made from diluted lemon juice. Before bed, apply an avocado mask. Mash half an avocado and spread it over your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse. This routine not only cleanses but also deeply nourishes your skin, preparing it for overnight repair. So tailoring your skincare to your skin type is really key. Everyone's skin is unique, and understanding what works best for you can make a huge difference in your overall complexion and confidence. For oily skin, you might want to try a toner made from apple cider vinegar and water. It can actually help balance your skin's pH levels. This simple DIY toner is a natural way to keep excess shine at bay and minimize the appearance of pores. Just use it after cleansing, and it'll help control oil production throughout the day. Remember to always follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Now, if you have dry skin, weekly banana masks can work wonders. Bananas are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that nourish and soften your skin. Just mash up a ripe banana, apply it, and let it sit for about 20 minutes. This mask is gentle enough for sensitive skin and can be used whenever your face feels tight or flaky. Bananas are packed with potassium, which hydrates your skin, and this simple treatment can give you a real moisture boost whenever you need it. You'll notice your skin looking plumper and more radiant after just a few uses. Combination skin types definitely have their own unique needs. It's important to treat different areas of your face according to their specific concerns, like oiliness in the T-zone and dryness on the cheeks. You can use yogurt as a mask to even out your skin tone. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens dull areas. It gives you gentle exfoliation and leaves your skin feeling super smooth. Plus, it helps calm redness and irritation, making it perfect for sensitive spots. Applying yogurt once a week as a treatment is a great idea. Consistency is key. Regular treatments help maintain your skin's balance and glow. Oh, and don't forget about the power of steam. A bowl of hot water with just a few drops of essential oils can open up your pores and allow for deeper cleansing. This is a relaxing ritual that preps your skin for masks or serums. If you tailor these hacks to your skin's needs, you'll start to notice some pretty amazing improvements. Glowing, healthy skin is totally achievable with just a few mindful tweaks to your routine. So, natural doesn't always mean safe. Just because an ingredient comes from nature, it doesn't guarantee it's gentle or suitable for everyone. Some natural substances can be surprisingly harsh or even trigger allergies, so it's important to approach them with the same caution as synthetic products. It's really important to test new ingredients before using them on your face. This simple step can help you avoid unexpected reactions and keep your skin healthy. Just apply a small amount to your wrist and wait for 24 hours. Watch for any redness, itching, or irritation during this time. If there's no reaction, it's likely safe for facial use. But if you notice any discomfort, it's best to avoid that ingredient altogether. This simple step can prevent unwanted irritation, honestly. It's a small effort that can save you from bigger skin issues down the line. There are also a lot of myths about natural skincare that need debunking. Not everything you read online or hear from friends is accurate. For example, not all skin types respond well to lemon. While it's often praised for its brightening effects, it can be too strong for sensitive skin. Its high acidity may actually cause sensitivity, so always dilute and use it sparingly. Never apply undiluted lemon juice directly to your face, as it can lead to burns or irritation. Similarly, baking soda is often touted as a miracle exfoliant, but its high alkalinity can disrupt your skin's pH balance. This can leave your skin feeling dry, tight, or even inflamed. And, some people believe that more is better, but this just isn't the case with skincare. Layering too many products can overwhelm your skin and reduce their effectiveness. Overuse of any ingredient can lead to imbalance. Your skin needs time to adjust and recover, so moderation is key. It's best to stick to recommended frequencies and amounts to ensure skin health. Always read instructions and don't be tempted to use more than advised. Lastly, remember that natural doesn't mean immediate. Patience is key here. Consistency and gentle care will reward you in the long run. Results may take time, but the benefits are sustainable and gentle. Trust the process and listen to your skin's signals. Always prioritize safety and your skin's unique needs. Your skin is unique, so treat it with the care and respect it deserves. Start by identifying your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? This will really guide your ingredient choices. If you're unsure, consult a dermatologist. Their advice can help tailor your regimen effectively. After figuring out your skin type, begin with basic ingredients. Choose one cleanser, one mask, and one moisturizer. These are your core products. As you become more comfortable, you can introduce additional treatments. Consistency is crucial. So stick to your routine for at least a month before evaluating results. This gives your skin time to adjust and respond. It's a good idea to keep a journal to track changes and note any reactions. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of DIY is its flexibility. Adjust recipes and routines to suit your skin's changing needs. Over time, you'll develop a skincare routine that's both effective and uniquely yours. Many people are drawn to the simplicity of DIY skincare. It's a return to basics in a world full of complex products. Nature offers effective solutions without all the fuss. The simplicity of these routines is honestly part of their charm. This approach really emphasizes the power of natural ingredients. They provide what the skin needs without overwhelming it. When used correctly, they can deliver impressive results. There's a peace of mind in knowing exactly what's on your skin. Plus, natural skincare is accessible. Most ingredients are already in your kitchen, so there's no need for expensive products. This accessibility makes it easy to maintain a routine. Trust in nature's ability to nurture and heal. The benefits of natural ingredients are well documented. With each treatment, you're investing in your skin's health and beauty. It's a simple, effective path to radiance. The journey to radiant skin starts with a single step. Begin with what you have and explore the possibilities within your kitchen. Embrace this opportunity to create personalized skincare products. It's a rewarding experience that enhances both skin and spirit. Remember, patience is key. Consistency will yield results over time. Trust the process and listen to your skin's feedback. Adjust routines as needed and take pride in your creations. Share your journey with others and inspire friends and family to explore DIY skincare. It's a movement towards healthier, more conscious living. Together, you can discover the joys of natural beauty. As you embark on this path, know that you're choosing a healthier, more sustainable way. Your skin will thank you for it. Start today and unlock the radiant skin you've always desired. Thank you for joining us on this journey to radiant natural beauty. If you loved these homemade skincare secrets, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and DIY recipes. Your glowing skin adventure is just beginning. See you in the next one.